Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss 15th Finance Commission and his recommendation for rural development. Here you can follow me. Our today's quotation is practice like you have never won and perform like you have never lost. Our one-liner questions are India's rank in UN Human Development Index is India introduced Panchayati Raj and Municipality by which constitutional amendments? Panchayati Raj covers how much percentage of population, rural population? 15th Finance Commission recommendations to increase spending on health is how much percent to 4%. Union government wanted to transfer which subject into concurrent list? In 15th Finance Commission proposal, our question is in 15th Finance Commission proposal, the goal of fiscal empowering local government delivery territorial equity is still far away. We have to comment on it. So we start with introduction. The three-tier system introduced in India by 73rd and 74th constitutional amendment. At present, there are about 3.4 million elected representatives at Panchayati level. 1.3 million women out of them. Panchayat covers about 96% of India's more than 5.8 lakh villages and nearly 99.6% of rural population. The 15th Finance Commission proposal, the goal of physically empowering local governments still far away due to so many reasons. You can draw the system like that. Where our issues and reasons are lack of funding and decentralization of power because state doesn't want to share his power. Second one is objectives of Panchayati Raj is still not completed or less recognized. Third one, less transparency, accountability and monitoring. Then corruption and nepotism. Then lack of political will, and not implementing 13th Finance Commission, which is go online, and Balwant Rai Mehta Commission committee's recommendations. 14th Finance Commission used outdated method of sample survey and then not to even published it. Less information about projects local and less gender equality, poor implementation of schemes and less spending on health. Steps taken by 15th Finance Commission is divisible pool increased by 4.23%. Independent ombudsman for services like drinking water and solid waste management. Use bottom up approach. Forest and ecology spending increase up to 10%. Health should be in concurrent list and increasing spending from 2.5% to 4% of GDP, gross domestic product. You can add more points. Steps need to be taken. Provide basic facilities, infrastructure, funding and platform to locals to focus on ground reality. Implement 13th Finance Commission recommendations to ensure transparency, accountability and monitoring to reduce corruption and nepotism. Provide proper training and exposure for GP, Gram Panchayat members and CBO. Tell me the full form of CBO officials and ensure gender equality. To include locals and spread awareness, use IEC. What is IEC? Information, education and communication materials. So many people are illiterate in our country. To engage with them, use pictures, photographs, provide details and attract them to include in development. Next one is make local level issues related projects and make their planning, implementation and monitoring of this process. Sarpanch can play a role in inspiration to other like Jadda Gram Panchayat from Maharashtra through all-round development. Village development officer need to give more attention. Must focus on Balwant Rai Mehta committee recommendations. Follow Gandhian philosophy and work on the ground level because he said if the poorest person is happy by your efforts, you are in the right direction. If you include any leader's name which is so influential, that can be more important and provide you an edge. So let's start with the conclusion. 15th Finance Commission proposal only success when collective capacity take place. You can show collective capacity like that. Take place when state actively participate and recognize the local government. Need to provide training, build trust, fulfill all responsibilities to local needs and development and follow the federal system of our country, then holistic development take place. With that, it also helps us to achieve sustainable development goals and improve our rank in UN Human Development Index, which is 131. If you add diagrams, that question will be more, that answer will be more influential to the examiner. So must include them. Urban line, oh sorry, urban line questions are India's rank in UN Human Development Index is 131. India's introduction. India introduced Panchayati Raj and Municipality by 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment. Panchayat covers 99.6% of rural population. 15th Finance Commission increased forest and ecology spending up to 10% of GDP. 15th Finance Commission recommendations to increase spending on health is 2.5% to 4%. Union government wanted to transfer health subject into concurrent list. Can you tell me health issue is in which list right now? So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve and must give your answers in comment section. I will be happy to see them. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.